So it's your typical quiet Wednesday evening in Stafford. So why are there so many cars at Stafford Middle School? Oh, I'll bet it's open house.
So we are having our fall open house here at Stafford Middle School. We're really excited to have our parents back in the building. They came in for Meet the Teacher night back in August, and so we're excited to have them back again right before the end of the 6 weeks so we can start checking on students' progress. So, I mean, there's quite a bit I hope to accomplish. One of our biggest goals is to improve student achievement. We are working really hard to get our reading and science scores up, and so we're doing a lot of work, legwork on the, behind the scenes to make sure that our students are able to be successful. We're providing interventions, we're doing tutorials, and doing so much work to try to make sure that our students are meeting their academic achievement goals.
And since you watch Stafford Weekly News, you know this is going to be a tough year budget-wise for SMSD. Is there anything the public can do to help?
The public can do quite a bit. So many of our community members know about our issues that we've been having with our budget, and so it would be nice to just have some people to come in and volunteer and help out as much as possible. We need parents to join the PTO. We need community members to donate as much as, any kind of school supplies or backpacks or anything like that that they can donate for our students, because we want the last thing our students and parents to worry about is how they're gonna, supply their students for school every day.
And who is this mysterious woman accompanying the principal?
So this is Brooke, my daughter. She is a student enrolled at the Stafford ECC in the daycare, and she's been in Stafford METV since she was 6 months old, and now she's almost 2.
For Spartan Spotlight, this is Randall Williams.